Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Smart TV and Vivo Y52. In this video I'll show you how to cast screen from phone to TV. At the beginning make sure that both devices are connected to same Wi-Fi, and on your TV enter screen mirroring feature. Then on the phone swipe down notification bar and extend it. Now enter Screencast, go to Settings and tap on 3 dots button. Now enable wireless display. Tap on your TV and your devices are connected. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.